Let us now proceed and continue our discussion on the topic of methods. Now initially I told you that this void is basically the return type. Similarly, in case of calculate simple interest method, this void is actually the return type. So whenever we have void, the return statement is basically optional. So we can simply write return followed by nothing, just a semicolon, right? Now suppose I give you a scenario that write a program to calculate the simple interest and print out the result within the main function itself. Currently, this calculate simple interest method does not return anything because of void return type here. Now suppose I want to display the simple interest not here. I want to print out the result here. So I will use the print statement and I will print out the simple interest that I will get from this function, right? So for that purpose, here what I will do, I will use double space si equal to calculate simple interest. Now here the compiler is not happy because from this method we are not returning any result. That is, here we need to return the simple interest from our calculate simple interest method. So once we do that, we need to make some changes to our method declaration. That is, instead of void, let us use double. So now what is happening here? This method is now returning some value. That is, after calculating the simple interest, we are returning some double value that is being received and stored inside this double si variable. Let us make it simple interest for user 1, right? Now similarly here as well, let us use double simple interest for user 2 equal to this function, and then let us print out si2. Now similarly here as well, what you will do, again double simple interest for user 3 equal to this function, right? And print out simple interest 3. If you run the code right now, let's see what happens. We get the same result, but this time we are actually making a function to return some value. So right after this video, you will find a code practice. What I want you to do is write a very simple program to find the sum of two numbers using the functions. And that function should return the sum as well.